So they are getting ready for the basin, and I am ever ready as usual. This is the luggage we have to carry. 3 people for 2 days, just 2 days. Which side to go? Here? Here?
Should be there, right?
That's a picnic area. I don't know.
Can you check? Can you check?
Yeah, this is the place to go. Let me ask. Hello.
Hi.
Which way is the falls? The basin?
Basin?
Yes.
There's a trail right here. Just follow that over there, and just keep on that, and you'll find it.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Oh, there. The people are coming from there. So it is down here? Oh, I thought we have to go up. This is one of the best waterfalls you will ever feel, because the ice caps that melt on the White Mountains melt and come down through this river, and hence this is one of the most purest water forms you will ever find in a natural habitat. As you see, the water level is rising. It is evening. What do you say? Whoops. Yeah, the water force is too much over here. I mean, I'm not scared to fall down or anything, but I guess I'm the only one who can go inside this water. It is, I think so, 10-12 degrees. The temperature is 10-12 degrees. Oh, the water force is too much. Exploring on the go and Lakisha's Odyssey are zero fun. Zero fun. They don't know how to act fun. Now this is fun. Oh my god, too much force. Oh yeah. That is New Hampshire, and this is the real New Hampshire you all have to go. Not any other spot. And people will say that this is cold and people cannot go inside the water, but I am here to say that you can go inside this water. And anybody who wants to go to New Hampshire must visit this spot, the Basin. It is few meters away from Basin. I don't know, this might have a name, I have to Google it, but I will mention it in my stories. So this is how it feels underwater.